I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. You want to add your chicken tenders into a bowl with 3 eggs, a packet of Sazon, and seasonings of your choice, and allow to sit in the egg mixture for 30 minutes, and then continue on to the next step, which you'll see ahead. Hey guys, it's been a half an hour since those been in the refrigerator. I have some all-purpose flour, just plain white flour, and I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get these mixed up. Look at those. I wish you guys could smell them. They smell really good, even just like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip them into my flour, dip them back in here, and then I'm going to dip them into the Cheez-it crumbs, and I'm going to let them sit in the plate while my oil is heating up. But you want your oil to be nice and hot. These don't take long at all, you guys. Not long. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to get a couple in here. I'm going to drip the excess off. I also like to make sure that I'm packing the flour onto the chicken tender. So I'm, squeezing it and pushing it down in there as well, because I want them to be really, really crispy. So now we're just going to reverse. Let's put them in here. Drip off the excess. Put it in here. I'm just going to set them on that plate, and I'm just going to continue doing the same thing. Just dipping them back into the egg mixture. Dipping them into the Cheez-Its. I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Okay guys, so now we're back, and I went ahead and I finished with those. I have my oil heating up. Now these are going to get done really, really quick. They only take about 2 to 4 minutes to cook. Not going to take long at all. And I have a wire rack on the side of me to just let the excess oil drain off of them. Yeah, these are going to cook really, really quick, you guys, because this oil is really hot. So I would say about 4 to 6 minutes, not 2 to 4 minutes. I would say like 4 to 6 minutes. They should be done. But just to be sure, make sure that they temp at 165, all right? So now these are all done, and I'm just going to remove these from the oil. And then I will show you guys how they look. You guys would love these. They taste really good. That little ranch powder that we add on there gives it a nice little extra little little something. Ooh. Don't drop it, girl. Don't drop it. I'm trying to see if I can pick this up and show you guys really quick how it looks. There you guys go. Hear that? Really crispy, crunchy. Bring you guys back in a minute. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and I plated mine up, you guys. These are so freaking good. You guys got to try them. The Cheez-Its chicken tenders and that little extra ranch little in there gives it flavor. And the hot sauce, like I said, does not make it spicy. And let me see. So I'm going to show you guys one that it kind of broke because, you know, I kind of broke it. But this is what it's looking like inside. And you can see it's not dried out. And you guys can hear this crunch. Let me bite this for you guys. These are crunchy. And they are so good. These are so good, you guys. And I have it with some cheese on the side. So that's how I'm going to be eating mine. You guys got to give this recipe a try because you can definitely taste the Cheez-It crackers on these. You guys got to try it. Let me know what you guys think, all right? As always, guys, it's just tea, and I hope you guys stay forever blessed. I'm out. So good. So good. Kid you not. Oh my gosh, these are good. You guys, I promise you, these are so freaking good. These are so good. You can definitely taste the cheese on here. I know I said I was leaving, but you guys got to try this recipe. It's really, it's a keeper. It's a keeper, you guys. Y'all stay blessed. Let me go and eat my little lunch. Thank you so much for watching. Stay forever blessed.